Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta. So, how are you all doing? All good? Yes. So, this is a premiered one. I won't be able to say hi to all of you, but yes. So, whoever is watching this now, hi, hello. So, I really hope you guys are doing good and staying happy. So, here is something which will make you laugh. You understood this, no? Periodic properties, noble gases. I'm not going to explain the joke. Okay, so what is this session about? What is today's session about? So many of you kept asking me, ma'am, NTSC series कब शुरू हो रहा है? And this is the second video on NTSC series. So what we will be discussing today is the strategy to crack NTSC in short time. Interesting, right? So what are the few tips and tricks which I will be revealing to crack NTSC? Let us see. Before that, are you the one who is facing these problems, doubts, notes, tests and assignments, competitive exams, choice of schedule, choice of language, or any of these? Then there is this one platform which will solve all of your problems. Along with that, you will get some bonuses also. Wow, kya baat hai. So which platform is that? What do you have to do to get all these benefits? Unlimited live classes. Not only that, you will get the recordings of all the lectures, and the notes and assignments will be shared with you after every session. Tests will be conducted regularly, and very important thing is, so in class doubt solving, there will be a master teacher, class teacher who will solve all of your doubts, which is very important, right? And you will get personalized attention also. So what do you have to do to get all these benefits? Just visit the link given in the description box, that is vdnt.in/ytpro, and choose these follow these steps. Choose your grade and the target, that is bold, and click onto the get subscription. Before clicking onto it, you can just read whatever is there. So there are this FAQs and what exactly is this, what kind of courses you can enroll to, everything has been detailedly explained. After that, you can just proceed to pay, and there are 3 different plans also: 1 month, 3 month, 6 months. So whichever is okay for you, you can go for that. But before proceeding to pay, make sure you have applied the coupon code SURPRO. So that means if you apply it, you will be getting additional 15% from my side. Nice, no? So this is the code SURPRO. SURPRO. Okay. Strategy to crack NTSC in short time. What are the? It's a very simple techniques which you can actually inculcate, and which will really help you get the very good result. First and foremost thing is planning, children. So not only for the NTSC, for everything, whatever you do, planning is very important. That's what I believe. Of course, spontaneously also people just come up with something and all that, but I have always had this plan. Acha, what will I be doing at the same time? Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll just have this plan. So this is very important. That's what I believe. So have this plan, and do not follow multiple books. A bhi chahiye, and all this. I will read this also, that also. So what you will end up just being confused, and time will be wasted. That's it. So follow only one book, that is enough. And very important point is know your syllabus. See, as I've already told you in the intro video, it does not have this restricted syllabus, but the questions will be purely based on 9th and 10th syllabus. So do not touch the 11th or 10th, 12th textbooks. No, not at all needed. Do not try to study from 11th or 12th syllabus. It will be very difficult for you. And I have done a video on the how to score 100% in chemistry, and the books to refer also. So those books are very good, and the NTSC, good quality NTSC level MCQs, this is what you need to refer. This is what you need to solve in order to crack NTSC. And not only for NTSC, you should, what I believe is, every student should have these 2 lists. One formula ka, and the other one is the periodic table. If you want, you can write it down and just stick onto your wall and practice, because there will be lots of questions based on the formula and the exceptional cases. So this, when I was teaching you metals and non-metals for 10 students and all that, I have told you, they don't usually ask the general one. And general is something which everyone will know. Metals are malleable, metals, they do conduct electricity, but what are the metals which is not non-malleable? So is there anything? So that is something which is, as it is not general, you need to put some extra effort to memorize that or to understand that, right? So they will ask you questions based on those special or exceptional cases. So you need to pay extra attention on those concepts. And so there are a lot of things to remember chemistry mein, right? Reactions, periodic table, reactivity series, postulates. So how to remember this? You can always use remember with the help of mnemonics. So in our channel also we have done videos on how to remember the periodic table through the mnemonics or the song. You can always refer to that. It will help you to remember a lot of things in a simple way, right? I don't stop calling me zebra. I like her calling me cute, no, smart girl. That's it. What is it? So this is the whole reactivity series. Or instead of, if I had to sit and write potassium, sodium, calcium, this would have been difficult, right? So this is what the mnemonics, it will make it simple and it will make it easy for you to remember a lot of things. And solving previous year question paper, this is yes, you guys have to do it. And don't worry, we will help you do it, right? So I'll be solving the previous year question papers and there will be lots of quizzes in this series, lots of quizzes. So let's solve it together. Okay. And if most of you are in 10th and few of you are in class 9, so how to revise class 9th ka syllabus? Because now only you have so much to study, so take the help of one short video. But we don't have one short video on our channel, right? So you have Vedanta 9th and 10th channel, you can always refer to that. And not only chemistry, all the subjects ka one short video on all chapter has been done, I guess, right? Don't worry, I'll be doing it on our channel also once we are done with the syllabus, because so we are concentrating on completing the syllabus on time. That is very, very important for all the students now. So once it is done, so we will make one short videos on all the chapters for both class 9th and 10th. Okay? Yes. How to study in limited time. See, I don't want you to just start, okay, I'm like, for 10th to, okay, I'll start studying from the beginning of the 9th and all that. Don't do that. So whatever the focus on your school syllabus and just solve the NTSC questions related to it. So every day you will be learning something here also, right? So there will be foundation series, or there will be, I'll take sessions for 9th, ICSE 10, CBSE 10. So just attend, watch the videos, and whatever the questions related to the topic which you have learned on that day, solve it. That is it. That is more than enough. See, imagine how many topics you can cover in the span of, like, I don't know, 7 days maybe, right? So that is it. Don't just a child start from matter in our surroundings. Don't do it. So whatever is happening, focus on what is happening, what is the teachers teaching you currently. This topic, solve the questions, because you already have understood the concept, you have learned something already on the same day, so that will help you in solving those examples or the questions. Mimic the exam atmosphere. What exactly is it? So this is something which everyone has to do. Time management is really important, because what I used to do it for 1 mark question, I used to spend 2-3 minutes. I used to spend, like, I used to write the whole, whatever I knew regarding that, related to that term, I used to write everything. And then for 4 to 5 mark questions, no time, teacher used to come and snatch my paper. Then I used to sit and cry, because I knew this but I couldn't write it. And also, don't do the same mistake. So solve the questions in fixed time. So I have to finish it in 1 minute. Do that. And not only for NTSC, even for the board exams also, try to mimic that exam atmosphere. Okay, because most of us, it's like, now you ask questions, for one of my friend, she was so good at it, at the studies and all that. She used to answer everything before we entered the examination and all. And then after that, she used to get nervous, and I don't know, the examination hall used to give her, I don't know, maybe it made her anxious or something, she used to just forget everything. So get used to that atmosphere. Okay, so how you can do it? Just solve the questions, like assume like, yes, I am in the examination hall, so I have to finish this in this time. So do it, it will help you a lot. So it is difficult to manage time, हाँ वो तो है ना. So I want you to set some target every day. अच्छा, I'm gonna solve these questions. So I'll cover this topic and I'll solve few questions related to this. So no matter how busy you are, no matter how occupied you are with other things, maybe the midterm or homework or anything, make sure you have done it. If you're really busy, so set some like very small target which you will know, right, how much you can do every day. So do it, and see, remember, success is a sum of small efforts. So all the very best, and don't worry, one more important thing is we will be there to help you crack NDSC. I can teach you only chemistry, don't ask me mathematics and all that, I'm very bad at it. Okay, thank you so much. These are the few steps or techniques or strategy which will help you to crack NDSC in very small time. And the other thing is, which you can actually do it, is take up the pro subscription plan, so that the curriculum will be completed, and whatever the new kind of courses which the Vedanta will be launching, so you can enroll into all the courses for free. Very good, right? So all you have to do is just click on to the link given in the description box, that is vdnt.in/ytpro, and use the coupon code SURPRO. Thank you so much. If you like the video, just make sure you have liked the video, share it with your friends also, so even they can, if they are worried, अरे मुझसे हो पाएगा या नहीं, so even they will know they can. Right? Okay, and make sure if you are here for the first time, make sure you have subscribed to the channel for other amazing videos related to chemistry also, and click that bell icon too, so that you will never miss a video and you will be the first person to get notified. You can always, if you have any queries or doubts, always reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com, and do let me know. So are you already following any of these techniques? So was it helpful? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much till now. It was your master teacher Surabhi at Vedantu. Bye bye.